Welcome once again to my channel. I'm about to feed my 5-day-old fry. As you can see, they're everywhere. See how numerous they are. All these black dots you're seeing are catfish fry. See them? See them? So I'm about to feed them. They're just 5 days old. I'm going to feed them with 0.1 mm. See, they are getting ready. They can smell the food now. See the frenzy? Even as little as they are, they can still engage in feeding frenzy. Yeah, does it. So I'm going to spread it all over. So let the feeding, let the frenzy begin. So I'm going to make sure they have enough. I'll show you how to remove excess feed by siphoning the leftover food and their waste from the tank in a separate video. So that's it. Fed them now. So they're going to enjoy their meal. They're already rushing it. See how they're rushing it? There are thousands of catfish in this vat, as you can see. Thousands of catfish. If not, I believe they're up to 100,000 here. This portion alone, more than 100,000 here. See how beautiful they are. Tiny. These tiny things will grow to up to 5 kg, 6 kg, 4 kg, 3 kg, 2 kg, 1 kg. We'll start. Normally, the market for catfish starts at 300 grams to 500. That's melange. Call it melange in Nigeria here. That's a mixture of different sizes from 300 gram to 500 gram. That's for smokable size. The ones they smoke, they dry. Then from also still smoke from 600 to 900 standard melange, and they also use those ones for pepper soup. But the normal point and kill pepper soup, I see how they're clustering here. They're enjoying the meal. Is from 1 kg and above, from 1 kg to 2 kg, 3 kg. Yeah. See what we have here. This is just from one fish, just one part of. It's not all. This they still have another of this from one fish. Just this, what you're seeing here, ×2 from one fish. That's a successful hatching. It's about 80% hatchability. So you can see, just one fish giving you this numerous. See how clustering, how big they are. I mean, the cluster. This alone is up to 50,000. Just this camera, this portion camera is covering. So this here, what we have here is more than 100 to even 200,000. See everywhere. From here, I'm going to roll the camera from here and go down the length of this vat for you to see what I'm talking about. And they cover every inch of the space in this vat. Every inch, every centimeter, not even inch, every centimeter is covered. Every centimeter is covered. That's half of what we got from one fish. Here is dark. I just when the light had to go out. This is normally how it is inside. It's even darker. The door is open. That's why you're seeing some light. It's supposed to be darker than this inside your vat. You see? That's how it should be. They don't like light. The light affects their eyes. So they are still young, very tender to absorb the light. So your hatchery must be dark. I just I have to put out the flash in my camera, so see how it is, to show you how it's supposed to be in the vat. Dark. This is how it should be. So if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe for more fish breeding updates like this. We'll take you through all the thick and things, all the things you need, all the tips, all the guides you need to be a successful fish farmer, catfish breeder. We breed catfish here, tilapia, ornamental fish, and the rest. So make a date with us, subscribe, hit the notification button so you don't miss any of our updates. So this is how it is in the vat. See you in a nice video. See them at you can still see them. Yeah. Even though it's dark, yes. Everywhere, every centimeter of this vat. That's it. See you guys in the next video. Ciao.